in the car, on the plane, on the train, on the bus. कंफ्यूजन क्यों है? हम कार के लिए इन यूज करते हैं लेकिन प्लेन, ट्रेन और बस के लिए ऑन क्यों यूज करते हैं? If this is a question which bothers you a lot, then this video is specifically for you. Hello, my name is Sadeeq and I'm TEFL InterSoul Certified Trainer and Career Counselor, and you are watching my YouTube channel Grow with Sadeeq. आज इस स्पोकन इंग्लिश लेसन में मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक आपके लिए लाया हूँ which we are going to discuss confusing prepositions. We'll be discussing all these prepositions where there are problems. आप फेस करते हो कि यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे नहीं समझ आती कि मैं इन यूज़ करूँ, मैं ऑन यूज़ करूँ, मैं इन टू यूज़ करूँ. So all the confusion will be clear inshallah by watching all these videos. So today we are going to talk about कि in, on में क्या फ़र्क है when we are talking about the mode of transport. जब हम mode of transport के बारे में बात करते हैं, so by हम अभी इस लेसन में नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे, लेकिन the confusion is कि कार के लिए हम in क्यों यूज़ करते हैं. फिर जब प्लेन, ट्रेन और बस की बात आती है, so we use on, for example, on the plane, on the train, on the bus. So if this really bothers you, so we are going to resolve this question. Keep watching the video till the end and share it with your friends as well. So जब आप किसी mode of transport में enter होते हो, for example it's a car. कार में आप बैठते हो, मोटर कार में आप बैठते हो, and there is no space to walk around. Easily movement नहीं कर सकते from one place to another. So then you are like confined, you cannot move around. Then we use in the car for closed area in any mode of transport. Okay, so in the car, my brother is in the car. For example, my father, he is in the car. My friend is in the car. So in the car, now you see it's a closed area. You cannot walk around, you cannot make any movement easily from one place to another. Then how do we say on the train? ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं? Sorry, on the plane. On the plane हम क्यों बोलते हैं? Plane इसीलिए हम on plane के लिए इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर movement की जगह है. You can easily move from one place to another. Okay? At the end of the plane आपने देखा होगा कि वहाँ पर washrooms होते हैं to get refreshed. So एक passage होता है जिसमें आप easily walk करके उधर खुद को refresh करते हो. So that is a kind of a space जिसमें आप easily movement कर सकते हो from one place to another, right? So we say on the plane. Okay, my sister is on the plane. Right? Now on the train, again take the example of a train. Train जब आप train में आप जब enter होते हो, so you see there is a space to walk around. आप easily movement कर सकते हो from one place to another. So again we say on the train. And let's take the example of bus. So bus is also spacious or spacious in terms of its space, its openness. So you can walk around, you can make either easily or not easily, but you can make movement there. Some of the buses are there in which you can move easily. Not the buses maybe in Pakistan, but abroad. So we again say on the bus, because we can easily move from one place to another. So it's very clear now that in the car it's a closed area. That is why we say in the car. And plane, train, and bus, these are the mode of transports which are spacious and we have openness. We can easily walk around, we can make freely movement. So that is why we say on the plane, on the train, and on the bus. I hope the confusion is now clear. Whenever you are using these prepositions with the mode of transport, so कोई confusion नहीं होगा and you will be confident कि ये चीज़ मैंने सीख ली है. Keep watching my YouTube channel and share the videos with your friends. Thank you for watching.